Have you ever wondered why some people with average intelligence earn more money than people who are super smart? It seems strange, right? But today, I'm going to explain it clearly, step by step, so you can understand why this happens and what you can do about it. Reason number one: uninformed optimism. Dumb or average smart people often don't know everything, and that works in their favor. They act without overthinking. They take chances that smarter people often avoid. Smart people think too much. They analyze, they worry, and sometimes they do nothing at all. But people with moderate intelligence just try things, even if they are unsure. This simple confidence can lead to big success. Reason number two: not afraid to look stupid. Many intelligent people avoid asking questions or trying new things because they are afraid of looking foolish. They want to protect their smart image. But less intelligent people ask questions, try new ideas, and are willing to fail publicly. This gives them a huge advantage because they learn faster and act faster. Remember, the smartest person is not the one who knows everything, but the one who is willing to look foolish to learn more. Reason number three: better risk taking. Smart people often overestimate risks. They prefer to stay safe in well paid jobs. People with average intelligence are more willing to take calculated risks, like starting a business, even if it might fail. Taking these risks can lead to big rewards that smart people miss because they are too cautious. Now, let's look at some real examples. Yahoo once passed on buying Google for $1 million. dollars. Later, they could have bought it for $3 billion and then $5 billion, but they missed it. Meanwhile, the FedEx founder, Fred Smith, gambled the last $5,000 of his money in Vegas to save his company. That risk helped him create a global shipping empire. These examples show that taking the right risks can change everything. Reason number four: intelligence and income don't always match at the top. A study in Sweden found that smarter people earn more money at first, but only up to a certain point. Once you reach very high incomes, being extremely intelligent doesn't matter as much. Some people in the top 1% of earners are moderately intelligent but very ambitious. Why? Because they often take risks and start their own businesses. Many very smart people are satisfied with high paying jobs and don't take the risky step to become business owners. Reason number five: some high earners rely on luck and connections. Some people get high income not because they are smart or hardworking, but because of family connections, inheritance, or being in the right place at the right time. These advantages can put people in the top 1%, even if their intelligence is average. So, what can we learn from all of this? You don't need to be a genius to be rich. What matters more is: one, being confident and willing to act; two, not being afraid to look foolish; three, taking the right risks; four, focusing on your strengths and what you are good at; five, being ambitious and persistent. Now, let's talk about practical strategies you can use to get richer. Strategy number one: model, then modify. Copy what successful people do first. Don't try to be original at the start. Follow the steps exactly, learn from them, and then tweak things to fit your situation. Many people fail because they overcomplicate things and change too early. Strategy number two: focus on your zone of genius. Find what you love to do, what you are naturally good at, what people need, and what they will pay for. Focus your time and energy only on these things. Ignore everything else. This way, you use your intelligence where it counts and avoid wasting time. Strategy number three: keep it simple. Don't overthink or add unnecessary complexity. Successful people do simple things very well. Sriracha hot sauce, for example, sells one product and has done so for decades. Simple focus works better than overcomplicating everything. Finally, remember, being extremely smart does not guarantee wealth. Average smart people who act confidently, take risks, and focus on their strengths often earn more. Use these strategies, simplify your actions, and don't be afraid to fail. So ask yourself, what is one area in your work or business that you can simplify and focus on? Write it down and start today. Action is more important than overthinking. You now know why average intelligence can sometimes earn more than high intelligence. Confidence, risk taking, and simplicity can take you far. You don't have to be a genius, just be smart about what really matters and act. Start small, focus on your strengths, and keep moving forward. That's how you can achieve financial success. Remember, don't overcomplicate, don't overthink. Act, learn, and grow. Your ambition and willingness to try will matter more than your IQ.